The Surprise Party. It was a sunny Friday morning at Maplewood School. Everyone was excited because it was the last day of school before summer vacation. The students were busy talking about their plans for the holidays. In Mrs. Johnson's class, the students had a special secret. "We should have a surprise party for Sam," said Lisa. Sam was a kind boy who always helped others. He loved school and made everyone smile. The students agreed it was a great idea. They decided to meet at lunch to plan the party. "Let's decorate the classroom," said Alex, "and we can bring snacks," added Maya. They wrote a list of things they needed: balloons, cake, and drinks. Each student promised to bring something. On Friday afternoon, while Sam was in gym class, the students quickly decorated the classroom. They hung colorful balloons and put up a big sign that said, "Surprise, Sam!" The cake was placed in the middle of the table, and everyone was excited. When Sam returned, he looked confused. "Why is the classroom so quiet?" he asked. Suddenly, the door opened, and all his friends yelled, "Surprise!" Sam's eyes widened with happiness. "Wow, this is amazing!" They all sang happy birthday and enjoyed the delicious cake together. Sam felt grateful and loved. It was a perfect end to the school year. Everyone agreed that this was the best surprise party ever. They promised to stay friends and have more fun adventures during the summer.